Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to 2 to 3x your YouTube revenue. These are the things I've been applying and I've been seeing a drastic increase in AdSense. And this applies to if you have a small channel as well as if you have a big channel. And I'll be revealing all the secrets in this one tutorial. I haven't seen anyone reveal this information and I'm just going to be giving it all away, as well as I'll be actually taking you guys through live examples at the end of this video. So monetizing YouTube hacks. That's what I'm going to be showing you guys on this video. And my goal is to basically give you a bunch of actionable tasks that you could actually take away from this video and apply to your channel today. So number one, you want to get your videos to be more than 10 minutes. I know everyone says this. I never realized how important it is till the past few months. When you make a video that's over 10 minutes, you get more watch time. And when you get more watch time, YouTube will start promoting your video much more often, and as a result, you actually get more views. So ironically, the longer your video are, the more views you're gonna get. Obviously, you don't really want to just put black bar at the end to make it over 10 minutes. You don't really want to stretch it out with fillers. You actually want to create content that is longer than 10 minutes and it's packed with value. And maybe just slow down your talking, have less cuts. But obviously you want to keep it fast paced and just somehow cram 10 minutes worth of value in one video. B, as I just said, it gets recommended much more by the algorithm because YouTube actually prefers long form content. That's why podcasts are killing it. Long form content is the new move. People aren't watching TV shows, TVs, movies much anymore. People, like everyone's on YouTube and people want long form content. YouTube would like someone to be sitting down 10 minutes straight just watching one video rather than watching a 2-minute video, 3-minute video. YouTube prefers you to be sitting down just watching one video, and as a result, the algorithm will start pushing your video if it's over 10 minutes. So this is how the average YouTuber monetizes. They just put an ad before the video, non-skippable video ads. On default, when you upload videos, all these things are actually unchecked. So you should go in and check it all. But default, you just see one ad at the beginning of the video. Now, this is what you should be doing. You should be using mid-roll ads. I did not know this was possible and I didn't really utilize it until recently. What you want to do is you want to place 2 mid-roll ads. Place one at the first 1/3 of your video and one at the second third of your video. So you want 2 ads in between your videos. And ideally they want to be roughly 4 to 6 minutes apart. And if you have a longer video, say 30 minutes, maybe you could squeeze in 3. But my videos are usually around 15 minutes, 10 to 15, so I'll just put in 2. Now, a lot of people say, would this basically throttle your views? Now you're just pumping ads in it. Are people going to be unhappy? Are you going to get less viewers, etc.? But your views will actually increase. Why? Because if you're able to make YouTube money by showing their ads much more often, they're going to get more money, and if they're going to get more money, they're going to push your video much more because they want to get more money. So they'll actually support your video, push it, put it onto the recommended much more often, and your views would actually ironically increase. People would think, okay, if I monetize my channel, my views are going to decrease, but the exact opposite happens. So therefore, mid-roll ads equals more views plus more money. So as you can see, here's like a screenshot of one of my videos, and I placed 2 within between. This was a podcast that's 30 minutes long, so technically I probably could have squeezed 3, maybe 4. But you just want to place one in the first third and the second third. 3, after video ads. So to make your after video ads really stand out, you want to make your outro video probably less than 15 seconds so people could actually reach the outro video. If your outro is way too long, like 20 seconds, people don't usually watch the whole outro, they go into the next video, and as a result, the after video ad won't trigger and you won't get paid that extra ad. So what I actually recommend is either having outro so that people can see all your different videos that you have and click and watch more related videos, as well as watch other content that you want to push on your channel, or have no outro whatsoever. Have the video end and jump straight to the after video ad. I utilize the whole 20-second outro because that's what I'm given, and I'm going to use that whole real estate because I want to give people 20 seconds to then pick one of the 4 videos that I advertise at the end of my videos. But if you shorten it to 10 seconds, the increase of chance that the viewer is going to reach the after video ad versus the decrease of chance that a user is going to click on another video, since you cut it from 20 seconds down to 10, is not good and it's not really worth it. If you want to get more video ad views, then you just want to have no outro at all, and that's my thoughts on after video ads. So you definitely want to check after video ads on every single video and start deciding if you want to just have no outro or just like make a super short outro. Because if you want to really utilize after video ads to really increase your revenue by another 20%, you gotta remove your outro completely. Now, user experience. A lot of people ask this, will people start unsubscribing? Will people start complaining and not be happy? What I found out is that the increase in viewers I get from monetizing my channel using the strategies that are shown in this video, and the increase in subscribers far outweigh the number of unsubscribers that are unsubscribing due to me monetizing and putting 2 ads in. And not only that, I'll get more money. So I'll get more viewers and subscribers and get more money to only lose a few portion of subscribers that is already made up for. Most people don't really worry about ads. It's become so normal and ingrained in everyone. We're watching videos with 3-4 ads. There's vlogs with like 20 ads, and it's just normal now. So having 2 ads isn't going to really affect your video whatsoever. It's really normal now, where people just watch it, skip it, and the ones that really don't like ads, they just have ad blocker and you don't have to worry about them. But user experience actually usually doesn't change whatsoever once you start monetizing your channel correctly. So now I'm going to go ahead and actually show you guys live of me preaching what I taught on my channel. So you go to the video, you go to monetization, you want to click everything, save, then you want to go to manage in editor. Then what you want to do, you want to go to the first third, roughly here, ad break, second third, ad break, save. And then yeah, the video is being processed and it will be done. It's as simple as that. I'm going to go ahead and apply it to another 20 videos. And another quick tip, YouTube actually has a default 1 ad, and it's pretty good because it knows when people are sort of really into the video and in deep focus. So keep the 1 they have and space the other second ad accordingly. So in this case, since this is 36 minutes, I might actually try put in 2. I'll put in 1 here, put in 1 here, save. There's 1 here already, so I'm going to put 1 roughly here. So go with YouTube's default 1 because they sort of know where the ad will perform best. So that's another really good tip. This one has too many. It's only a 10-minute video, so I'm going to delete them. Place automatically first. There's 1 there, so I'll place the second one here. Yeah, this one has way too many. I think for these older videos, I had no idea if it was random, what would happen, but this is way too many. So let's first start by deleting all ad breaks, then place automatically. Then I'm going to place 1 in between here. That should do the trick. Delete all ad breaks. Place automatically. And I'll place the second one here. Yeah, this is way too much. Delete all ad breaks. Place automatic. And yeah, that's about it. That's how you go ahead and 2 to 3x not only your YouTube growth, but revenue from AdSense. Hope you guys found value in this video. I'm going to drop this PowerPoint down in the description below so you can download it completely for free. If you guys want to work with me one-on-one or you want other free resources, check out the description below. Other than that, don't forget to like the video, comment if you have any questions whatsoever. I've been answering every single comment on my YouTube channel. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe because I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Yeah.